pretty fast for a snail. You won't mistake me for a whale. I just refuse to let us fail. Wag my shell like it's a tail. Pretty fast for a snail. I won't get to the bottom of the slide. I'm too sticky to ride on that ride. Flying high on your kite, sticking there with all our might. We'll stick together everywhere. Here we go. Ba 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 da da da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. I won't get to the bottom of the slide. I'm too sticky to ride on that ride. Flying high on your kite, sticking there.
My goal to draw this Pokemon has come to a conclusion. At long last, finally, I will teach you all how to draw a heracross. One of the strongest and one of the recently popular Pokemon from Silver and Gold. Here are his fingers.
It's not about winning, it's about fun.
What's that?
Alexa, play Now That We're Men.
Sorry, I don't know that.
Alexa, play Now That We're Men.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
This guy has been in Ash's entourage for a long time. Go got one after trading Pinsir. Hopefully we'll get to see a Heracross Mega Evolve on the series. Nobody even knows that.
We have facial hair now that we're men.
I changed my underwear now that we're men. We got a manly flair.
We got the stuff, we're tough enough to save the day.
We never had a chance when we were kids.
No, no, no. But take a look at what the mermaids did. Ha, ha, ha. Patrick, time for some slapping.
Here's his fingers.
Oh, yeah.
Here's his toes.
Yeah, go SpongeBob.
There we are.
Now that they're men, we can't bother them. Now that they're men, they have become our
Finished.
friends. Now that they're men,
That is how you draw.
there'll be a happy end.
That's how you draw a Heracross from Pokemon Journeys.
They'll pass the test.
This one goes out to those who watch this show as much as I do. By the way, if you have any requests, if you guys have any ideas on unboxing videos, I'm happy to do that. That's how you draw a Heracross. Good night.